What's up, guys? So probably you have watching this video because your iPhone not charging. So first of all, what you should check if this cable goes 100% inside your charging slot. If it goes like this, so it will not charge. If it goes like this, it will start charging your iPhone. And the reason why it's not going inside 100% inside is because there are a lot of dust, and what I can recommend is there is here is the box from here is my box from iPhone, and I have taken this small thing. It's used for if you want to remove your SIM card, so simply use it, yes. But if you will remove cable, take this small thing. Here is charging slot, and simply use it to clean dust from your iPhone. So it doesn't matter what model of iPhone you got, use this small thing to clean it. Usually it goes there in the end, so use that, okay. And when you have removed all dust, all dirty things, check if it goes on 100% inside. And now you can see start charging. So my iPhone was without power, and I was not sure what was the reason why it's not charging, but watching tons of videos on YouTube, I just tried this method and it works. So hope this video will help you as well. Please leave a comment, please leave any comment under this video, and let me know if this helps you. Have a nice day, guys.